Good afternoon, traders. How are we going? Going to have a quick look at Bitcoin as per normal. Have a look at where we're sitting. Right on the 4-hour demand. Massive bull pressure down still. Still got an indication of short. Are we going to get a bounce here? Has the liquidity been cleared? That's the question. So is that enough shakeout? Is that enough fear? Is that enough greed as well? I suppose it comes down to fear and greed too, doesn't it? So we're looking at still in a downtrend. MAs are still pointing down. There's nothing to suggest upwards. Nothing at all. No bounce. All we've had is here a buy up here and then just hovering around demand. Nothing to get too worked up over. But if you were going to take a long, you need some confirmation. If you want a continuation short, you're going to need some confirmation. Where are we going to get that? Not on this chart. There's no structure to the upside, so we're not going to get a clean read. Will we get a bounce, a recovery, complacency, a bounce? When we get a bounce, it'll bring us back up to 72. We need to look on this chart. So this chart now, the 15-minute gives us our entries, of course. We are looking rather bullish on this one, but it's only just recovered the MAs. It's still making lower highs. Hasn't made a lower low than here yet. So we're looking for a breakout of this range, and I think we're just going to get some chop. So this structure breakdown here has suggested that it's low time frame bearish. The bull meter suggests otherwise. However, we're looking for a breakout. We want to break up to the upside and a continuation. So we're not just going to take the breakout. We need to see it give us a confirmation. Because if we get a down and then an up and we've still got this supply and this demand, we're still in chop. We need to see a higher high than this to say that we could be in a relief bounce. That's the word I was looking for, relief bounce. But for now, it's chop. So we're just going sideways. Is the shakeout complete? Do I think so? No. Can we get a recovery, relief bounce? Yes. Is it guaranteed? No. So in 4 hours still is where most of my attention is going. And right now we've got a lower low compared to here. All right, so we've got higher high and a lower low. Is that grounds for a reversal? Maybe. But when we look down, we've taken out these demands. Why wouldn't we take this one out? And if we do drop that one, well, we have to go to the daily for the next liquidity event. So looking at the daily, when TradingView plays, we can see here we've got some levels that I talk about in Zoom, in the Discord group. Speaking of which, if you're not a member, I suggest if you've been putting it off, join the Discord group now. We're growing really quickly and some changes will be coming within the group. They should be for the better, but we need to accommodate for a lot more people now. So thanks to all the people that have joined. Don't forget to like and subscribe the videos now that you're part of the family. And we'll get back to this now. So we've got create, liquidity grab, retest. So this is the last secured structure that we have. If it comes back down to test this, my bet is it's probably going to fall through. Yes, I'd like to see it bounce here rather than continue down to 40 or to the 30, 29, whatever it is, my target with liquidity. I just want to show you something that I showed a member today who was a bit worried about where we're going. I said, well, everyone uses momentum trend lines, but do they use the right ones? That's the one we've been using. Most people have been using this one. And that doesn't look that good either. But just look where we are now. So if you're going to use that one, yeah, great. Good. Let's hope it holds for you. Maybe I think we will get a reaction there. I just think that, but I'm still not taking an entry until structure confirms as per normal. It says we're at the bottom and we're neutral. So the range that that indicator is measuring says that we're at the bottom of the range that it's measured and we're neutral. Okay. So this is one of the free indicators you get when you join up to the control room. New website coming out very shortly, so keep an eye out for that. We could use this momentum trend line, and it's very possible. And that's what I've been looking for. So anything from here or here or here, to me, is a relief bounce. It's not a recovery. Could be wrong, but that's how I'm trading. I'm trading the structure. And if we look back at history, no demands have been left behind. They get taken. No demands left behind. No demands left behind. Are we coming back for this one? That puts it down at just under 20. That'd rock some people's worlds. I get that. But if I look to the next, and this is on the daily chart, the next protected level is here at 25K. Create liquidity grab. Zoom in a bit better for you. Create liquidity grab, retest, go. So there's your rocket ships. So this level's been protected. This level hasn't even been tested or liquidity grab yet. So where's the liquidity? Oh, funny that. Right there. Green vector candle right there. It's on the daily chart. So as far as I'm concerned, that's a target until proven otherwise. We use that a lot in our Zoom sessions, until proven otherwise. And yeah, if you do want to come and trade with us, we run a live Zoom room nearly every day. It's there for the members to use anytime they like. So you can get in and trade together. Keeps the community tight. We're getting a core group of people in there now. If you haven't joined in the Zoom room yet and you're already a member, you need to do it, because that's the best value that people are telling me for the channel or for the community is the live Zoom just makes it so much better to get in, interact together and share trade ideas, review mistakes, all the above, discipline, risk management, everything you need about it. It's I'm pretty much in the Zoom nearly 16 hours a day. So yeah, come and trade with me. More than happy to trade with you. And like I said, thanks to all the new members, but make sure you use that Zoom room so that you get the full benefit of the channel. So yeah, we're looking pretty ordinary, I must say. Is there going to be a bounce at this trend line? Maybe. That's what it looks like on the weekly. Doesn't look pretty. Next demand's down here. We busted through that one like a hot knife through butter. Have we got a head and shoulders here thing? Yeah, is that a retail trap? Probably. Has it passed the neckline? Yeah, I think so. Down we go. And on a weekly liquidity level, there we go. There's the vector there. There's also another one down here, 21. So I'm thinking around about here. If not, let's hope we get a bounce here and we can all, peace can be restored to the galaxy. Other than that, we'll go to Ethereum. And what are we getting? More of the same. All right. So I think you'll find Ethereum Bitcoin chart is starting to dump after a little pump. I haven't had a look, but the 4 hour, there's nothing below. I threatened yesterday that maybe I should put a YouTube tile on the video. Ethereum, $900. We'll see what happens then. I might do that tomorrow, actually, if Bitcoin hasn't changed anything. Because if Ethereum just dropped this daily level and it sits here, we kind of got down here to go. And a little trick or a little something I had a look at this morning. So from there to there, there's that drop. From there to there, there's that drop, pretty close. And from there to there puts us at 964. Just so happens there's a daily demand there, and that's the last one. Like I said, they don't get left behind. Demands don't get left behind. They get cleared out. So trade safe. I don't want to harp too much on it. I'm not being a killjoy, but come and join the group because we just trade what's in front of us. We trade what's in front of us and we use the structure to our advantage. So I'll leave it there. Don't forget, we've also got X as well. So follow us on X and you can scan that code there. And there's a code to scan. Just pause your screen and you can access it from there. All right. Well, hopefully we'll see you in the Zoom. I'm just about to go in there live for everybody to come and trade if they want. It is Friday afternoon. Protect your capital. Be aware of the weekend. Have a good weekend. I'll see you over the course of the weekend. Bye.